Mount Rushmore. Adventure.
Thumbs up, everything makes sense? Yeah. Can I get 2 thumbs up, please?
Thumbs up, thumbs up.
Thank you. Have fun.
So, tapos na kami dito sa Mount Rushmore. Check out na. Check out. Nakapag-breakfast na sa hotel. Dadaanan pa kami isang national park along dito, South Dakota, on the way home.
Cat scratched me all the time. No, that was Buddy that scratched you. Some cats scratch me
Uwi na.
whenever they follow me. They didn't scratch you. But whenever I keep looking at them, they're following me. Because they said, Mama, is that you? Mama? Can I have my doll?
What? Which doll? Marami kang doll.
I want both of them. They're so cute. What? They're my favorite dolls. My dolls are my favorite.
Wala to. May basura pa dyan?
May?
Basura.
Oo, meron.
Ah,
Mga basura, bigyan niyo sa daddy niya. Oh.
ano basura?
I really love that cat. Kitty cat. Now this time that cat is not nice to me, right?
Caleb, yung mga water bottle na basura.
I have no basura. Now Kuya.
Okay, come on.
Kuya. Kuya. Now that cat is behaved, right? Where did that cat come from? I think it came from maybe it's a stray cat. I think it was there. Mommy, you should have.
Dami ko ng tissue galing hotel.
Mommy, you should have took a picture of it.
Which one?
The cat.
No more.
Can you take a picture of
Yung
it?
honey tsaka mati.
Mom, can you take a picture of it? I want to show you.
Hindi na. That's fine.
Oh wait, Kuya, maybe that cat was in the bag.
Georgie Pesta?
Ito yata, exit ano?
That
Dito ba?
looks like mochi.
Parang
dito
dyan
eh.
may
One way.
Nakalagay?
Mochi. Kuya, I think that Kuya. Maybe that cat was from that owner or that cat was in the bag. Do you have sanitizer?
87 kilometers.
Sa Badland? O, tara na.
I want the Badlands.
Kahit sa ano na tayo, truck stop mag-power nap. No.
Kaya naman. Hindi pa tayo pala dahil saan.
I did the same method you did. Like this, look.
Head east toward US 16
Babalik?
West.
Doon nga, sa may red. Doon sa may ano, tulay.
Wait, where's the cat? It's in
Dude.
the back, okay? Wow, John, it's right there! Where?
Ba't parang baba nito
Outside.
phone ko?
Oh, the cat! Oh, it looks like
May
mochi.
second floor pala.
Arizona ba?
Mochi.
Layo
That
na
cat-
Arizona pa galing. Utah, Georgia.
Baka naman na-rent lang.
Ay, malayo pa rin pinanggalingan. O sa bagay, kung saan kasi yung line ni Iwan eh, di ba? Ah, yung wala dito. Doon na exit.
Wait, this is right. We're gonna see mochi again. We're gonna see that cat. We're gonna see
Head
mochi.
south toward US 16
What's
West.
mochi?
Ba't kasi naka-arrow dito? One way.
One way. One way. I just like that cat. The cat is so cute. Now that cat looks very cute now. It looks like mochi, right, Kuya?
Mochi?
It's gonna be that side. Oh, it's mom. Huh?
Parang uulan.
No, Daddy's gonna drive on. Daddy might drive. Oh, I saw it, Kuya. I actually saw it.
Tanda pa, sumubsob ka.
Are you swear? Do you swear? I saw one and you saw it.
Come on.
Continue for 16 miles.
Mama though.
Helicopter tour.
Helicopter too.
Malalim.
Now these two babies are not sisters, like we are.
Marami yung pang magagawa dito eh.
Ano? Lodge.
Hindi, I mean, di ba ang dami palang mga state park? Kasi akala natin yun lang makikita. Ang dami kaya.
More rush. Ano, may mountain adventure park. Saan yan?
5 miles is mile. Ayun pala, rush.
Zipline?
Ano nga yung coaster na pababa?
5 miles? Supuntahan?
Tara, silipin lang natin. Nandito na tayo eh.
Big Thunder. Diyan, you wanna ride that
Ayan.
one? Again?
Yeah, I wanna ride.
Magkano ba yan?
Yes.
Check mo nga.
May pera naman sila, di gamitin natin. Pangbayad sa kanila.
I want it. I wanna ride it again with Daddy. I wanna
maganda nga
ride it
yan.
with Daddy.
Siyempre, hindi ka naman pwede mag-isa.
I wanna ride it with Daddy.
Yes! We will.
Punta natin.
Saan ba? 5 miles pa eh.
Yeah, let's go to this place, Mommy.
Oo nga.
Kuya, are you gonna ride by yourself? Yeah, I'm gonna do the same thing I did. Yeah.
Aba, ang ganda rin ng Eagle zipline nila, oh.
The blue one and I was in the
Kano?
yellow one with Daddy.
Marami ka pwedeng gawin
And
actually.
now we're in the red one, right? Yeah. And where was Mommy? Where's Mommy? Oh, it's...
City Hall.
Yeah, but you bumped to the yellow one. Behind.
Dire-diretso lang. 8 minutes pa.
But, because...
Kakaliwa ka
But
sa
remember, there's
4.7
gonna be
miles.
red light and green light, okay? And remember, go push and then stop and push.
Aakyat doon.
Mount Rushmore.
Oh yeah, do this.
Adventure.
One more. 1, 2, 1, 2, slide.
Sweater oh, sweater. Light sweater. Cave them.
Sa cave yan eh. Cave yan.
Okay pala yan.
Lava, come on.
Are you guys ready?
Yes, we're ready. Oh my god!
Don't forget to pull the brake at the end.
Caleb! Caleb, hi! Okay.
Imagine there were dinosaurs here, Mommy.
Caleb, can you hold this one? Mama naglag. Caleb!
I've known Cabin since he was like 13. So it's like.
Are your seatbelts nice and tight, sir?
Yeah.
All right. Watch your feet here, guys.
Okay, there's an abrupt stop at the bottom. Camera's on our left. Are you guys ready?
Okay. Camera, look for the camera. Atras! Atras naman, atras! Atras naman, atras!
How was that, guys?
You just scared me, Bob.
Ah, it's all right. You made it back.
Thanks.
Cool down, guys. Go for yourself. charging up right now. So, just be sure you let them know.
Papa, it's gonna be long.
Yeah, I ride with you.
Have fun.
Audio fit is here. Better. Oh no. This way is better. It's better for you. Here? No, you cannot reach that. Okay. Oh good?
Please buckle up, guys.
Oh good?
Yeah. Thank you. Push your hand this all the way forward for me. All the way. Backward. Backward. Thumbs up, everything makes sense. Can I get 2 thumbs up, please?
Thumbs up now. Thumbs up.
Thank you. Have fun.
Alright, there you go.
It's charging up. No worries.
And can we?
Sandal ka sa akin doon. Sandal ka.
Backward. Thumbs up, everything.
Just hold on my legs, ha?
Thank you. Go ahead.
Alright, here we go. Here we go.
Enjoy!
Bye, Mama.
Yeah! Yeah!
This is too scary.
You like it?
I like it.
You like it?
I like it. Kuya!
Kaya mo naroon.
Kuya! Kuya!
Huwag lang ha, yung... Hawak lang sa akin.
What color is that Kuya there?
Ina. Hawak. Yeah.
I saw Kuya!
Yeah, yung so kuya yun. Umakit na. Yun, nasa taas siya. Oh.
Kuya!
No worries.
Kuya!
Enjoy the ride slowly. Yes. Wait. And then... Whoop!
That scared me.
You scared you? Okay, nothing here. Okay.
Kuya's gone.
Here we come! Here we come!
This is gonna be scary.
Yeah! I love you. Yeah, up and away! Up, yan, Lola, look, Lola! Yan, kamay, dali! Bakit? Yeah. Yun, taas na natin bunso.
Taas.
Ang taas. Yeah. Go down there, yeah.
Is mommy behind us? Because if mommy is not, it's gonna be red.
Yan na.
That's it?
Hindi pa. Saan na si Kuya? Kuya! Ay, Kuya. Kuya. Ay, kaya si Kuya. Pababa.
The Kuya was there.
Nasa unahan na.
Oh no, I'm scared for that baby.
Ayun na si Kuya. Makita natin doon. Forward, dali, bilisan mo! Yeah. Yan na! Ayun na kami! Ayun na kami! Yo, kamera! Yeah! Oh! Ay, si Kuya na, wabala! Ang bilis! Ang bilis ni Kuya mo, ha? Yeah! Ayan na! Ayan na! Ayan na! Ang bilis! Nasa sila? Nandun mo sa kabila.
Where's mommy?
Nasa likod. Ang bilis ni Kuya mo. Nandun na ka. Ayun na! Ayun na! Ayun na! Ayun na! Ayun na mo sa kapit! Kapit! Mama is up there. Oh, slow down. Ayun, Mama is there. Oh.
Where?
Yun, nasa likod. Nasa likod.
Mommy's there. Was she shouting?
Yeah.
Oh, you're gonna hop off right now.
That was super scary. Can I go again? Yeah? Can I go again? Can I go again, Mommy?
Relax, Dad.
Huh? Daddy, can we go again?
We're going na.
That was scary.
Yeah.
Oh, your sticker.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Thinking about what we've been through. The world can be a lonely place. Baby, what's in store. As long as you and me, baby, we can open every door. From the day you stole my heart, I never ever want to be apart from all the things that are you. I know my love will see us through. Don't you feel the times are coming? 'Cause I feel it so strong. I've been on hold now, baby. Don't you feel the times are coming? When it feels so right to dance in the moonlight, baby, with you. Don't you feel the times are coming? 'Cause I feel it so strong. I've been on hold on, baby. Don't you feel the times are coming? Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Oh, don't you feel the times are coming?
Hindi Morton ba dyan?
Iwanag na. Ha?
Oh, huwag ka naman rin masyado matanong, ha? First, we attended the wedding sa Aspen, Colorado. Then we went straight to Utah for 6 days.
QR card. Bakit passport ang binibigay mo sa akin?
Ha?
PR lang kailangan.
Eh, napot sa ni mami passport eh.
Eh, sa may passport ka rin dyan eh.
So, hindi lang kasama ng passport natin.
Hindi.
Papa, do you have a green card? That means you can travel around the world.
Blue ang passport. Tayo rin magkakanisa.
Hindi na, meron na. Baba mo. Good morning.
What's your license plate number?
LXU 106.
How many people on board?
We're 5.
And where does everyone live?
Winnipeg.
How long were you outside of the country?
We crossed September 1.
Where did you go?
We went down to Colorado for a wedding. Then we go straight to Utah.
What was in Utah?
We just bring our kids to National Park.
What's the value of goods purchased or acquired coming in?
The shopping total cost is $938.76.
That's for everybody in the vehicle?
Yes.
It includes everything coming in?
The shopping, I mean the grocery was $632.
Okay, so I need the total because it's all one total.
Oh,
Okay.
Everything coming in.
okay na. Sabi ko.
1571.38.
Do you have business or commercial goods with you?
No.
Alcohol, tobacco, or cannabis?
We just have 3 wines, 3 bottle of wines.
From the wedding.
Any packages or parcels picked
No.
up for you or anyone else?
Nothing, ma'am.
Just regular size bottles?
Yes.
Food, plants, or animals other than regular grocery items?
Nothing.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Mommy, what kind of job is that?
Sa border patrol. Border. Pwede rin yan. Maganda rin sweldo sa ganyan, anak.
But it's far
All
away
goods.
from
All goods. All
But
goods.
Mommy, if I work at the border pass, and if I live somewhere here,
Ano hindi na baba? Itapon ko na.
Para sigurado.
Nahirap na. Sobrang 3 bote ng beer.
Baltimore.
even my house. I'm going to school tomorrow.
Yeah.
We're back home. Winnipeg.
What?
General cleaning tayo, kids, ha? Yung mga rooms.
Patag traffic. Kung school bus.
School. Sakit sa mata.
Balik. Ano pa na nakatira? School time na. School time na. Masadya ko mamaya ng hapon. 5.
Sa doktor. Pabalik pa natin ng sakyan. Pero punta muna ako sa opisina. Kuha ko ng form para dun sa ibebentang...
Hey, Mommy, are we gonna go home first?
Kukunin mo yung check mo?
Kukunin ko na rin.
Dito na
Mommy, are
gawin
we
mo?
gonna go home?
Ha?
Dito na gawin mo?
Oo nga. Pero mag-nap ka muna. Ano yung kung na yung...
Pahugasan mo
kids
na ng
food.
touchless.
Ha?
Pahugasan sa touchless. Nakuhugan sila. Bok.
Sumasagot doorbell ko. Hello, Nina? Ay, nagising po ba namin kayo? Nandito po kami sa labas na. Kanina po yung susi. Po. Sige po. Sige po. Okay. Diyan, baba mo yung pitana mo.
Why? Why? Can I show the toys?
Opo. Yeah, say hi.
Look! Toy!
Ngayon lang po. Dahil po kami mamaya, yung mga bigay po.
We went to the... We went
Okay
to
lang
the...
po yun. Bigay po.
Wala.
Anak, close mo yung ilo mo.
Ano ba nagising?
Ha?
Medicine?
Oo, kanina pa. Kay mami na pa.
Hindi, nang.
There's Ford. There's our car. I miss it.
Bakit parang may nag-mower?
Wala.
Bakit sa 2 linggo nating wala?
Ano, lumutay na sa ring.
Ha? Lobat nga yung ring.
Unknown.
Baka si neighbor. Duda ko si neighbor.
Oh, Mommy, remember what you said when we were in Canada?
Right.
You told Mommy.
Dito na natin siya
Mami!
harap padaanin.
Mommy.
Oo.
Mommy.
Oh.
Remember what
Oh, parang tulad ng anak ulam.
Ha?
Tulad ng ulam.
Hindi.
Bakit tulad?
Mama puti. Sabot mo ng salada na yan.
Daddy. Daddy. Daddy.
Caleb, marami pa doon.
Daddy.
Nasa bathroom.
Kapag unload na, papahinga muna konti. Sila, kaanpak ng mga regalo, mga bata. May battery ba yan? Ba't yung pinili mo, binuksan mo?
Along with your favorite song,
Bukas na rin.
Frozen.
Look, I got a cute. So cute.
So yun, dito ka muna tatapos itong video na to at back to reality na naman. So, pahinga muna. So, yun, tapos na yung 2 weeks and bukas papasok na yung mga bata sa school, then the other day pa ako bibiyahe kasi bukas meron pa akong appointment sa doktor. So, ganun lang ang aming trip. Sabi nga ni Gio Ong,
Kaya natin, we don't wait for memories to come. We make them.
we made them. So yun, maraming salamat at nag-enjoy naman lahat. At
Ay, picture mo na kita, Major.
so yun, hanggang sa muli na aming paglalakbay. See you guys on the road.
Oh,